Hey, hi everybody. I read the news about JP Morgan spending, I think it was $2 billion for their AI implementation, and that now they've got their LLM trained on various aspects of their data, and now they're able to help their staff prepare reports in a jiffy. So I decided to try it out with Genspark.ai. This is an Agentic AI tool, and I gave it the prompt: you are a technology banker at JP Morgan Chase preparing for a meeting with the CEO and CFO of Nvidia. Prepare a 5-page presentation that includes the latest news, earnings, and a peer comparison. So it started to prepare a comprehensive 5-page presentation, used the tool financial report, read the Nvidia 2024 Q4 numbers, read the stock price, got the latest news about the chips, went through the financial report for AMD, for Intel, understood how the earnings translate to income for Nvidia. Here's the stock price. AMD, it went through the call transcript for AMD, for Intel, used the tools for stock price of AMD, so on and so forth, right? And now it has all the information it needed. I'm just reading through what it did. It was done pretty fast. It didn't take too long. Let me see if there's a timeline on how quickly it was able to do this. No, I don't think I can see it, but when it was happening real time, it was pretty fast, right? So it went and created 5 slides like I asked. The first slide was exec summary and market position, latest financial performance analysis, latest recent news and strategic developments, comprehensive peer analysis, comparison analysis, and investment banking opportunities and recommendations. And this is the slide it gave me. Now look at this. This, I can think of a banker creating this slide. And obviously I would have to cross-check all the numbers, but these are pretty good. Does the market cap, did its strategic positioning, key value drivers, the financial performance is mapped here, metrics, analysis, margin trends, pretty high margins for Nvidia, looking at 76.7%. Then what is the share of the data center market? What's the few relationships that's happening? OpenAI partnership, Microsoft integration. Top customer concentration is 50% of the data center revenue, and cloud partnerships are all major. Recent strategic developments. So it's gone through the news, and it's come out with something about the Blackwell platform, and the peer analysis it did with AMD and Intel, and it's clearly very favorable compared to both of them. Obviously Intel is not in a great position. And what are the investment banking opportunities? What can JP Morgan do for them? From debt capacity to international expansion, so on and so forth, right? Strategic M&A, supply chain financing, so on and so forth, right? So it came up with a pretty decent list of recommendations. Now, I'm not an hardcore investment banker, so obviously somebody needs to verify this. But this is a pretty decent deck to start with. And one of the issues with Genspark was it was not great at editing stuff. But now, let me just show you, there is a way you can do that. Yes, there you go. Edit in AI slides. You can click this and you can go there and put your slides request here. AI edit, right? You can select an area and you can type in. You can do advanced edit where you go and check play around with the margins, the figures, etc., etc. So this was an issue with Genspark earlier on, but now I think they've fixed it. So they're trying to take on not only the research market, but also in a way take on PowerPoint as well. And you can even fact check some of the content. You don't have, let's say, hallucination that you can have. I've just gone and fact check for page 2. Let's see what it does. This is real time. So it's going to take some time. We'll wait for it to come back. And there you go. Look at this. Let's go and verifying all those numbers systematically, and created a to-do list and is going through that one by one. This is fantastic stuff. Definitely a tool worth looking into. So that's Genspark.ai. I don't have any tie-ups with them, but definitely a tool that I will be using for my own consulting business to do basic legwork. Look at this. It's gone and checked all those numbers and verified all of it. So there you go. Something for you guys to look at and consider using.